What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to create frames on demand on Canva for free into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, let's learn how to change this banner right here, this outdoor banner. Review the left sidebar of menus, go to uploads, and upload the picture or select a picture on the Canva directory. Okay, here's the picture. Let me just align this like this. Okay, now review the left sidebar of menus once again, go to apps, and to search Canva apps you're gonna type trace to frame. Here's the guide I'm looking for, this one with the star. Now you must select the picture and click on start tracing. Now you can choose if you want to save it for you, a preset, or what exactly you want. It can be a shape or an image. Let's click into this option right here and let's change the borders according to our needs. Of course, if you do not have a square image, you can create one yourself by clicking and hold with your mouse. Let me fix it. I think right here and right here. Here is the result, okay? Here is the trace. The corner routing can be changed according to your needs. The frame border can be changed. And the color. Let's click on Add to the design. Now all I have to do is move it just like this and just like this. Let me organize it a little bigger. Great. I think I got a winner. And now you can place your image right here. Let me choose a photo. Just like this. For example, okay? Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!